Fed up with getting trapped in fake breakouts and sideways markets? What if you could jump in when a real trend breakout happens and ride it cleanly? Let's go. This strategy uses two main tools: a 50-period exponential moving average, EMA, to define trend direction and dynamic support, resistance, and the custom 3C Turbo JRSX oscillator to identify moments when the market is overbought or oversold and ready to move. Buy setup. The 50 exponential moving average must be sloping upward and price must be above it. Price then retraces toward the 50 EMA and shows congestion around that area, so support plus trend line. Simultaneously, the 3C Turbo JRSX must have been in oversold territory below 30 and begins to reverse upward. When price breaks above that diagonal resistance/support zone at the EMA, you enter your buy. Stop loss sits just below the recent fractal low. Exit when momentum fades. The oscillator slopes down. Sell setup. Reverse everything. 50 EMA sloping downward. Price below it. Wait for price to retrace toward the EMA. 3C Turbo JRSX must have been in overbought territory, above 70, and is reversing. Then price breaks below the support line near EMA. Enter short. Stop loss just above recent fractal high. Exit when oscillator slopes up. Time frames: 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, or daily. Major, minor, or cross pairs. Don't trade just because you see a breakout. Wait for confluence. Trend plus retracement plus oscillator reversal plus breakout. And always risk only a small portion of your account, 1 to 2%, per trade. Discipline is your edge. When you use this turbo trend breakout setup, you align with the trend, filter out noise, and aim for momentum-driven moves, not guessing tops or bottoms. Visit forexmt4indicators.com now to download the free indicators and ready-made template. Let's trade smarter.